Hey, what's going on everyone, and welcome to Charlie's Money. This channel revolves around videos and live streams where I'll share my routine of tracking the markets, performing investment research, and using data to guide my investing strategy. If you're a new investor, this might be an easy way to get an insight into what a detailed investment process might look like and hopefully help you develop some ideas for your own investing strategy. If you already have experience, I welcome your insights, and hopefully this can become like an open source collaborative type process between us. Because a lot of the investment research that I'm going to be doing is analyzing financial statements, charts, data, graphs, news, and other stuff like that can be boring. But if we can reach 1,000 monthly users on my Patreon, I'll start doing degenerate day trader Davey style streams. In the meantime though, we can hopefully make investment research more collaborative and fun to try and find valuable investments. That being said, I'm not a financial advisor, nothing I say on this channel is financial advice, and all the content is for educational purposes only. If you are looking for that, you need to sit down with a finance professional who can review your personal situation, your finances, and your ability and willingness to take risks. My investing style is super aggressive and not suitable for you or most people watching this video. Even if I say things are a buy or sell, which I try to avoid doing, that's just a manner of speech to say I like it or not. So always keep that in mind and remember the inherent risks to investing and my strategies that might not be suitable for most people. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe, and see you in the streams.